Today, Japan Society is happy to present our samurai etiquette event, Reiho. Our guest speaker, Ayumi Adachi Sensei, began her studies at Ogasawara Reiho in 2012 and trains in Reiho, Osha, and Kisha.
会社でエンジニアをしていますので、車載用のディスプレイを設計するお仕事をしています。
The word Reiho itself means etiquette, and this workshop taught guests traditions used for tying knots, paper folding, gift giving, and meal eating used since the day of the samurai. Her co-speaker and translator Tim Macmillan also studied in Ogasawara Reiho and trains in Yabusame, which is horse archery. To start the event off, Ayumi Adachi Sensei and Mr. Macmillan demonstrate a complex knot tying pattern used on the horse archery training apparatuses.
It seems simple, but it's not as simple. But it's cool when you actually do it, and I think it's a great activity to work with children too. So.
Guests were able to practice this technique on their own, but after a couple of failed attempts, Adachi Sensei was eager to help.
I'm learning something new.
As the guests were finishing up tying the knots, Mr. Macmillan was preparing the Japanese paper used to send to letters. One side is smooth and the other side has a rough texture for folding purposes. Finally, it was time for the tea etiquette portion of the event. Adachi Sensei showed the appropriate way to handle fine china while eating. There was a lot of purpose behind every action to show respect, experience, and poise. At the end of the event, food was provided and guests actually had the opportunity to ask questions to Adachi Sensei and Mr. Macmillan.
The head color.
Oh, this is horse face.
Horse face, yeah.
Here.
There was still time to take pictures and network with the other people that attended the event to cap it off.
Building bridges between the United States and Japan since 1905. Japan Society.